Hey everyone, before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing. So sit up tall with your feet planted firmly on the ground and your hands resting on your thighs, and gently close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. On the next deep inhale, feel your spine growing nice and tall as you relax your shoulders and your neck and your jaw. And as you exhale through your nose, maintain that space in your spine. On the next deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling a little tight today. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, feel that tension release. Let's take one last deep inhale through your nose, sending the breath to fill your lungs and your abdomen. And at the top, hold your breath for a few seconds. And exhale through your nose as slowly as you can, savoring that breath and feeling a sense of relaxation and calm and peace. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This multiple choice problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 3 of the SAT test, which does not allow calculators. And the problem says, what is the set of all solutions to the equation the square root of x plus 2 equals negative x? So give this problem a try, see what you can do. And it's alright if you're not sure how to approach it, you can even just take a guess. And in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. So we're given this equation, and I want to show you an important strategy called Plug and Chug, which is just substituting values in for x and seeing what works. Now you could go ahead and algebraically solve for x, but because you're squaring both sides of the equation, you'd have to test the values anyway. And they're giving us candidate values here, so it's going to be faster just to substitute. So notice that half of the values have -1 in them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test -1 in the equation to see if it makes the equation a true statement. So I have -1 plus 2, and I want to know, is that equal to the opposite of -1, which is 1. So I have the square root of 1. And I want to know, is 1 equal to 1? It is. So I know that A and B are viable solutions. And I can eliminate C because it doesn't include -1 in its solution set. And I can eliminate D because D says there are no solutions, and I know that -1 works. So I very quickly eliminated half of the choices. So now I know that the answer is either A or B. And notice that A has 2 in the solution set and B does not. So let's go ahead and test 2 in the equation and see whether in fact it makes the equation a true statement. So I have the square root of 2 plus 2, and I want to know whether that's equal to the opposite of 2, which is -2. And I can see right away that you can't get a square root of a number that equals a negative number. So I know that that's not going to be true, but if you wanted to actually solve it, you'll see the square root of 4 is +2, and that's not equal to -2. So this answer choice 2 does not work. It should not be in the solution set. So I automatically know that B is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. Sometimes it's going to be quicker just to substitute in the candidate answers into the expression or equation that's provided than doing all the algebraic work.